Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open the phone app and tap the three dots to open settings. This starts the process of changing your call screen quickly and safely. Tap Call Settings and then tap Call Background to change it. You can choose from system backgrounds, live wallpapers, or a photo from your gallery. If prompted, grant the phone app permission to access photos and media. Permissions allow your selected image to display during incoming calls without errors or crashes. Select Gallery to upload a photo, or choose Live Wallpaper for motion. When you pick Gallery, locate the image and tap it to begin cropping. Crop the image to 16:9 ratio for best fit on most screens. Use pinch gestures to move and zoom the photo as needed. Tap Apply to set the selected image as your call screen and preview it immediately. If the preview looks wrong, repeat the steps and adjust the crop slightly. Change caller style to full screen or compact in caller display settings. Full screen shows the image across the entire display during calls. Compact uses a smaller card style with the image behind it for easier multitasking. If images fail to display, clear the phone app cache or restart the phone to refresh settings. Update your system software to the latest version to receive new call screen features and bug fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.